Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super important: how to write a letter to the president in 2025. Whether you're passionate about a policy issue, want to voice your concerns, or simply show support, writing to the president can make your voice heard. With the 2025 elections on the horizon, it's a timely skill to master. Let's break it down step by step so you can craft a letter that stands out. First off, start with your purpose. Why are you writing? Is it to suggest an idea, raise an issue, or express gratitude? Clearly define this. It'll guide your entire letter. Next, do your homework. Research the correct address for the White House or the president's office. In 2025, you might find updated digital options, like official email portals, but traditional mail still works. Now, onto the format. Begin with your contact information at the top, followed by the date, and then the president's address. Use a formal salutation like, "Dear Mr. President," or "Dear Madam President." Keep the body concise and respectful. Aim for 3 to 5 paragraphs. Start with an introduction, explain your main points clearly, and end with a polite call to action or thank you. Remember, tone is key. Be professional, factual, and positive. Avoid slang or emotional outbursts. This is about effective communication. Once you're done, proofread for grammar and spelling errors to ensure your letter looks polished. Finally, send it off. Use certified mail for important letters or follow any online submission guidelines. And hey, don't forget to track your letter if possible. Who knows, you might get a response. Writing to the president is a powerful way to engage in democracy. Give it a try in 2025 and make your mark. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.